Are you looking for a quick and easy way to change your Amazon address? In this video, you'll learn how to easily change your address on Amazon in a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Amazon app and then tap the profile button at the bottom center. After that, tap the Your Account button over here. And then scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Your Address. So go ahead and tap Your Address. And then tap where it says Add a new address. And now you have the ability to add a new address. Simply fill these out. Add your name, phone number, address, city, state, and zip code. And over here, you can put a checkmark next to this. Make this my default address. Once you've done that, just tap the Add Address button at the bottom to change your address on Amazon. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.